everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're down at the allotment again, and as you can see, I let my cameraman do a pan for you. We've had our first frost, so what I'm just trying to do is just get up this bit cleared, so I can bring round some. I've went down there, and they've got manure down there. So I'm just pulling out my squashes so I can pile up the manure for when I need it. So if you don't get the manure when you see it, when you come back, there's nothing left. Because everybody's been waiting, they haven't brought none round for a while, and everyone's waiting on it. And I just come early, and it's there, so what I'm going to do is see if I can bring around as much as I can. I wanted to start on this compost pile, getting that taken down, which is what I might do later on. I might take down all this area here and just have a walkway through, just get this tree and everything tidied back up. So we'll see how it goes. As you know, you can't really do too much in this cold. I don't want to catch a cold on top of everything else because they're still doing tests. Being recalled for blood tests and everything. So I'm looking down. Oh no, that one's eaten. So all this is all the growth from my squashes this year. And I can see my fence is starting to lean over. I don't know why. I might have to sort that out later. So what I'm trying to do is just get all this over so I can make a path to bring a few. Don't know how many barrow loads I'm going to need, but we'll just see how it goes as the morning goes on. So I'll do this and I'll be back with you. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. So I'm going to carry on and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've brought round some manure. I just put it in a pile, so I'm going to leave it there till when I clear. I want that to rotten down a bit more, and then once it's clear down, and then I'll dig it in and then spread it out like how I've done to my bed. I want to bring this right out this time up to here. So got some digging to do, but I'm just taking my time. When you come down to the allotment, don't try and rush everything, just take your time and you'll get there. If you keep rushing, you'll get bored pretty quickly and then you won't want to come down. So just having a look what's going on. You can see everything's frosted over. So that's telling me that it's the end of the season. Just looking in there, seen a couple of cool jets. Couple of cool jets there. That'd be the last ones for this season. I don't know, that coyote's still going. It's meant to be a warm weather plant, but it just keeps going. Let's put these here if I can. Right, my beans, I don't know these are the lima beans, and you can see it was still flowering, but I think with the touch of frost now, I think that's it for those. Just have to leave it and see what happens if we get any more warmer weather coming. Right, I'll see next time I come, got to pull out all these corn cobs. You can see they've been just eaten left, right and centre. So, got to take off this netting as well. Right, I'll come up here. But for some reason this coyote is just still growing. Although, well, we've had the first frost. Got my carrots there, got some spinach here. And now I see these Romaniscos have had their first frost and they've done nothing. So it's just one of them seasons where I see like we've got mushrooms growing everywhere. Let my cameraman come round. See these mushrooms growing everywhere, but they're not for eating. And this bed is now filling up with grass. So that's telling me we've got to clean out this bed again. The okra yams have got their first frost, so they should be coming out. This is the bed where I want to put my garlics, but it's not deep enough. And every time you look, you see like holes, like something just digging. It's not deep enough for my garlics. Right, this is the okra yam that was in this box. Let me just see if I can get a root pulled up and see if there's any underneath there. Can't see anything on them. Because these just grew willy-nilly, and I'm going to show you something. These are the thing what you eat. They're small at the moment, but if you leave these in the ground, they're just, anywhere where you leave them, they just grow and take over. So that's what happens with those. Don't know why. Well, I've got something walking. Don't know if those are footprints or what, but something's looking for something. But I need to get the compost on so I can get my garlics and onions in. So that's what's going on. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, everybody. So just in a polytunnel now. I've given everything what needs watering a little bit of water. Dug over, taken out my lettuces and dug over that bed ready for something else. I might have to get some more compost just to top that back up because it's really sunk down. But the dirt is still soft and everything. My carrots and everything's coming on. I've still got loads of spring onions around here. I want to take some home. Use them over in the week. So you can see I've got loads of spring onions. So that should be enough. We're going to take some of these one. I was going to pick these peppers, but I haven't got time right now because I've got to stop off again before I go home. But I'll do that. They're still all okay, so I'll just leave them for now. It's just a Scotch bonnet, so they don't grow very big, but they're still alright. They're still very hotter than the usual ones what I usually use. So everything's okay. Got my turmeric and everything growing, my ginger still, the melons are okay. Well, in here the temperature has gone up to 17, so we know that the frost is here now, so we're just got to keep an eye on everything. So but then I see sweet potatoes growing, so which is a bit strange. I've got the ones in my garden to sort out, but I'll show you that in another video. Most probably have to do that tomorrow. I've got my strawberries, which are sending out the runners, and then you've got the plants there, the roots, so I've got to sort those out. I've got some more hanging baskets, but I'm just waiting for the thing. I'm going to put them outside and then maybe leave this some inside as well. So I've got an early crop, but we did get a good crop off of them. You can see that runner is really going. They've got like runners on them everywhere. So got some new plants there. And then what I've got to do, once I come down, I've got to tidy up in there and then start moving everything to the middle, so away from the sides, and get these cleaned up and everything ready for winter. But the main thing what I'm waiting for now is just the compost. Once I can get hold of the compost, then I can put my onions and garlic in, which this should have gone in. We've got the first frost already, so can't leave it much longer. So what might do on Monday, if I can't get any luck, I might take all the compost out of here, and then put it in that bed at the front. I'm looking in there, I've seen a hairy thing walking around. I thought it was a mole. I thought it was a baby mole, but it's a let my cameraman zoom in on it. It's a caterpillar. Thing. Get him out of here, because I don't want them breeding up in there and then causing havoc afterwards, eating, munching down everything. So get rid of him. Right, so that's what we got for now. So I know what's going to happen if I don't pick some of this chard, then I'm not going to get any. So let me put these somewhere, and I'll pick some of this chard to take home, and maybe mix it with some spinach. So, oh yeah, I had a bucket of potatoes what I plant. These were like volunteer potatoes, and that I emptied it out, and that what was inside them. A few potatoes there, so you know you're always getting stuff. This Romanesco, it's got its first hit of frost, so I don't know about it, so just leave it. Right, so that's all I can show you for now. Got all the corns and mostly now is just tidying up, getting all these piles of stuff. I just let them rotten down, then they're a bit more easier to manage. Just looking if there's anything else. Well, that's mostly it for now. So thanks for watching. Please remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We'll get back to you on them. So I'll see you all on the next one, and you take care till then.